I always thought it was the big businesses that had to deal with payment security threats. Then I heard it's becoming a lot easier for businesses like mine to get hacked, and that really concerned me.
90% of data breaches involve small businesses. The TransArmor solution offers some of the best data protection available to help you avoid becoming an easy target for hackers.
Why would hackers care about me? I'm too small. Sure, I worry about someone stealing one of my guitars, but I really didn't think about my customers' information being stolen.
From the moment the card is swiped, TransArmor defends your payments from cyber thieves. Now you can always be sure your customer's actual card information is never stored on your POS terminal.
The guy who owns the coffee shop across the street told me he had his customer information stolen last month. It was a huge hassle. His reputation took a hit. He's lost a lot of customers because of it. If it happened to him, could it happen to me?
Payment card industry requirements are always changing for cardholder protection, and that can make it challenging for you to stay compliant. The TransArmor solution can help. It simplifies this process, provides tools to help you stay on top of it all, and helps to keep your business safe.
There's also the online side of my business. If my customers' credit cards were hacked, the bad reviews would make people think twice about buying from my site. And my bottom line would suffer big time.
TransArmor keeps the focus on your customers and safeguards your business with the same advanced technology used by some of the world's largest retailers. In the rare chance you have a data breach, you're protected with a $100,000 liability waiver for any breach-related expenses.
If I have any questions, the TransArmor team's on it right away. I especially like knowing that anyone who uses their card here doesn't have to give it a second thought.
Protect your success with TransArmor. Talk to your business consultant today.